to the channel. It's another day here at the shop. I took the wide fab out. Look at all the damage. This white fab took the dump. Anyways, now y'all can see the damage real good on the Nissan 370C Nismo. I can tell right here, the frame right here is bent a little bit. Just a little bit, man. I mean, I will have to talk to my guy and see. I mean, nothing else is messed up from here on this side. Nothing else. Let me back up a little bit. Here, he almost trashed the subframe, the under subframe. Look how close it was to trashing the subframe. This whole chunk just flew off. Like I told you guys, the rack and pinion took a dump, so rack and pinion's no good. We will have to replace it, and I got a replacement for it. All right, you guys, here, now that I got you guys in the bottom, both of the cats are gone. He sold the cat. There is no exhaust. It's gone. Luckily, I have these pieces. Wow, I still have it, so it's looking pretty good so far. Wow, the differential is leaking. This guys were probably drifting the car really hard. The diff is leaking definitely, so I have to check it out, maybe reseal it. I don't know. In the future, I don't know. But right now, my main concern is trying to fix the both of the control arms on both sides. And so far, so good. We're not running into no problems. In the future, not right now, in the future I will go ahead and fix this. I will, like, you know, take it to my buddy. He has a frame machine, maybe pull it out just a little bit. I don't know, you know, it depends how I feel. But right now, you know, we're looking okay. We're looking okay. So I will keep you guys updated. So my employee didn't show up today. He called out, so I'm here by myself. Look. Just got about to get some tires dropped off by my guy. So yeah, I will see you guys. I will keep you guys updated as I'm going. I brought the tripod, but I'm just trying to get everything out the way so I can hurry up and get it done. I'm one-man army today. So yeah. So yeah, boys. I got the seats. So the car, remember I told you it's missing the seats, right? I got bad news. I talked to I want to tell you guys something. If you guys don't know sure about when you're fixing things, because you're not a pro, we're not professional, we're trying to get to that level, you know what I mean? Understand one thing, if you're not sure, do not keep going forward, you know? Always try to see if you can talk to a certified mechanic technician or somebody that's been working on cars longer than you have. All right, so right now I'm on pause right now because you see this part right here from the subframe that's broken. All right, I talked to my guy and he said change it, because if you don't change it, with all the traveling, and since this car's a rear wheel drive and it has 350 horsepower, it's gonna be shaking from the front because this piece right here got broken and it kind of like it's weak now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and trying to get a subframe. I'm gonna have to. That's the best thing to do, because I don't want to. And also check this out. You see that right there is broken as well, right there. It's broken. It's supposed to be. I'm gonna show you the other side how it's supposed to look. So the car did take a hell of a hit. Everything got shifted that way, probably about 1/8 of an inch. So I'm gonna listen to him. I'm gonna go ahead and spend a little bit of more money to do it right, because in the future, if I want to sell the car, you know, I get my money's worth. You know? Let me show you the other side. You see how it looks right there? How it curves? It curves like right there, like it curves like right there, like that. And you see how this side right here, it kind of like has the form of it. So now look on the other side. See how it's broken right there? Broken. This is gonna be, you know, pretty much a lot of work. You know, if you don't have a lift, this is basically a lot of work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it the right way. I'm gonna go out to go see this guy. This guy sells nothing but 350Z parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay him a visit, see if he gives me the subframe at a good deal. And I need a back bumper too, so I'm gonna pick up the back bumper. He got the back bumper, and I need it because where am I gonna put my license plate? You know. So I'm just trying to keep you guys updated with the build. So right now I'm on pause, basically because of the subframe. All right. So I got the new subframe. Well, I got a used one. I also got the sway bar. I already took out the rack and pinion, the broken one. Now I gotta take the broken subframe. So it is hard to do it if you don't have the right equipment. You know, using a lift, using a jack, and I gotta unbolt everything to drop the subframe. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'll go ahead and put some time lapse for you guys. I also gotta borrow this tool from my neighbor just to make sure. I'm gonna go ahead and strap the engine from the top. I didn't do that. I only put a strap, but I don't know if that's safe or not. So not to be sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and get the tool. So, but I'm gonna do a time lapse while I'm doing this, okay? All right, guys. See you. So, all right. So I'm gonna use that tool anyways, just to make sure that we have a lot of steady support. So this is what you do, right? If you want to move the bottom subframe, you install this. All right. So how I did it, I grabbed it from inside the. Let me show you guys. Let me get my light. Where's my light? I grabbed it from the side of the headers. So this engine doesn't have no space where to get it. Make sure that there's no cables or anything plastic on the way. That way you make sure you don't mess up any of the parts that you need. That one I got it from the motor mount. And the way I was able to get it, I put a hanger, a wire hanger, because you cannot fit your hands through there. So this is what I use to put the chain through there. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, I'm showing you guys so that way you guys get an idea on how to move the subframe. Make sure, shake it, make sure that it's steady. Make sure that it's steady and that it's not going anywhere. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put that jack back underneath the car just for extra support. And I'll keep showing you, okay? So I need to hurry up and finish this by today because I need to get this open. I'm gonna try to do my best to finish it by today. But now we always got tomorrow. But that's exactly what we're doing right now. We just sold 3 tires to a customer outside, so we can get it going.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
All right. We are almost done with the driver's side. Put the original upper and lower control arm, and we got the subframe back on there already. All the lines are hooked up. Sway bar is hooked up. That's where I'm at right now. And yeah, we're getting it done little by little. And yeah, I got another caliper. And then the other one broke off like I showed you guys. So now I have both calipers, so I'm ready to go. Luckily, I got both rotors. One is right there, and the other one is right there. You see it? Then you guys gotta know that I'm doing this on a budget. You know, everything is on a budget. Whatever parts you guys see, some of them are original Nismo, some of them are regular touring or base model. I got the car as a shell, as you guys know. Oh yeah, I also got the headliner. A guy from the 370 group came by and dropped it off. Appreciate you, man. Also got the airbag that blown on the driver's side. So yeah, I'm getting it done little by little, man. So I tomorrow when I come in, I'm gonna finish doing the rest of it, and hopefully I also got some cheap intakes because like I said, I'm on a budget right now. I'm not trying to spend a whole lot to get this going. You know, in the future, you know, I'll upgrade parts here and there, but right now, you know, it is what it is. When I got the car, it was missing the intakes. It had the white spap angle kit. One of them was busted. It didn't have no suspension. The guy took the coilovers and sold them. So I had to borrow some from a friend of mine. It didn't have, it doesn't have an exhaust. It doesn't have no catalytic converter. So I put some test pipes. I ordered some test pipes. They're on the way. Basically, it was pretty much stripped. So the headliner was gone. He gave it away for free. There's no hood, no fenders. Oh yeah, I bought some fenders. I already put one side, as you guys can see. Oops, sorry. So yeah, it's pretty dark, but one fender's already on. And remember I told you about the frame, subframe was busted. Look, got another one. Now it's pretty good, stable. So now, you know, I'm putting it back together little by little. Hopefully tomorrow or Friday we have a first startup. Like I'll crank the engine up. I got the sensors too. It was missing a bunch of parts. But other than that, guys, thank you for sticking around. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.
Coast to coast, I drop it on it. Tell me how you really want it. Latin boss, I'm a hoe. Ripping the game with a twist on it. All or nothing, how we play. Baby girl, if I may take you with my Chevrolet and change your life in a major way. Give you things you never had. Champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite. Tell me, can you handle that? I came from nothing, now the whole thing changed.